Okay, so see, the thing is that in my opinion, North India has not recently become the phenomenon news. You know, North India has actually been a phenomenon all through popular culture. If you look at Indian popular culture, particularly. So if you look at Hindi films, you only know about the traditions of North India, and they have become pan-Indian traditions. So North India is synonymous with what India is. As it is, there is this huge North-South divide. That's like also like a concern, an area of concern, and that's also the reason why whenever you say it's Delhi, which is the capital of India, you kind of try to restrict it to only a North Indian sort of ethos. So the other, I don't know whether it's a good part or the bad part, is that the entire news media is all converged in Delhi and NCR. So the smallest of news that breaks in Delhi has to be covered because the OB1s can most easily reach there. So somewhere it's the lack of pan-Indian infrastructure also, which has kind of led to Delhi and places around Delhi. Even if you look at North India, the smaller towns of North Indian city, the smaller towns in North India never get the kind of coverage that Delhi gets. So if a kid falls into like a pit in a village which is so close to Delhi, it's news, right? But recently, if you kind of came across this news, this mentally challenged woman in Hisar was gang raped, and half of her body parts had been eaten up by stray animals by the time her body was discovered. This is even a more heinous crime than the Nirbhaya case that we have all been talking about, right? But it has never become like a national news story. It only found coverage in the alternative online media. So I don't think that it is about Delhi and nothing more than Delhi. And Delhi has become like a sort of a reflection or sort of like a representative, a symbolism for what North India is. And that if you look at it, there are only certain communities in North India which get like more coverage than other communities. So there's this Punjabi middle class, business class, which is the kind of Delhi that people want to kind of think of. I mean, I think other communities get marginalized also. I myself am Punjabi, but I would say it like with gutso because I'm sure that's the way it is covered. When you look at films, you look at news media, it's more about this Punjab, Haryana sort of like the larger culture which gets reflected in the rich alleys of Delhi which gets kind of covered. So that's my opinion on the subject.